Today we're going to be making this now tilapia in Blender. It looks maybe a little bit hard, but it's actually pretty easy to make. So let's get into it. Okay, this is Easy Blender by Mr.Tomato. So we're making the now tilapia behind me right here. So basically we're gonna use a UV map to try to adjust the texture onto our fish, and we're gonna do some modeling. So you might need to know some skills on edit mode, but overall it should be easy to follow along. So let's go. Okay, let's go. So first we're going to wait. Okay, let's go. So first I'm going to delete the camera and our lights as usual. And so what we're gonna do is we're gonna go into side view, press 3 on your numpad, not the top. If you don't have a numpad, then click this X up here. And then now we're going to add an image. So we're gonna add an image of tilapia. So press Shift A, image, and select reference. And then you want to go download the tilapia image. I linked a Google Drive in the description. You can go find it. So right here, tilapia fish right here. And then you want to press S to scale it up like this. So now you got the tilapia image in our scene. So I want you to move it, press G and move it on the X. And there we go. It's not in the middle of our cube. So first we want to select our cube and press tab into edit mode, and then press Ctrl R. We're gonna loop cut this cube. So Ctrl R and cut it in the middle. Press left click. Now it's gonna be slidable. Right click to put it in the middle and then scale it on the set. So press S, Z, like this. Now try to make it accurate, the bottom and the top. And then now we're gonna select this face. So press 3 or right here. And then you're going to select this face. So same thing, go back into side view, press 3 on the numpad, and then again scale it on the Z. Okay, now you need to kind of like imagine it, but the fins are kind of blocking it. You need to kind of look at it. But it goes about this, and we can't just stop at the fins right here. We need to go in. So about that, and then extrude, scale it on the Z. Just keep going. Extrude, press E to extrude. Now it's all about art. There's no like ultimate recipe to do this. It's all about art. So just keep extruding and scaling it to fit our fish. And don't forget to scale it on the Z. That's important. Press S and then Z. So now we have our fish like this. And then we're going to select this face now. So you selected that face, now we're gonna select this face. So going to side view, extrude, scale it on the Z. Try to adjust it, extrude, scale it on the Z. No, you don't scale it on the Z, I think. More like moving. So GZ. Then I want to rotate it a little bit and moving it. Then extrude, and there we go, right here. So now you want to select it. Press 2 up here. There are 3 options. Go into edge select and select this top edge and bottom edge, and press Ctrl B. And then it's gonna be like this. But I want you to increase the segment. So like roll your middle mouse button, the scroll wheel, like this. Increase it, and there you go. And now you got it. So now our fish is kind of chunky and big. You want to scale it down a little bit like this. And then tab into edit mode and Ctrl R. Like we did in the beginning. So Ctrl R and loop cut 2 times. So do the middle mouse scroll wheel, increase it by 1. And then there should be 2 lines, yellow lines, and click. It can be move slidable. Right click to put it in the middle, and then now we got it. So for the tail, I want you to select every piece of it like this. Oops. Select every piece of the tail. But the loop cut has a reason to do it. So we select like this, the part that we bevel, and go into side view, extrude. Wait, no. When you extrude it, extrude and then right click and then scale it up. But don't just normally scale. Scale and shift X, so it doesn't get bigger on the X, and then move it. You can kind of adjust it. It doesn't need to be perfectly fit, but that's enough. And then now you got this. You want to scale it on the X to make it small, including this too. Scale it on the X. Okay. And when you do that, this happens. So I want you to go Control Z, okay. And then I want you to tab into object mode, tab out of edit mode, and go to this wrench right here, and then open it, add a modifier. You're going to add a modifier. You want to add a Weld modifier right here, Weld, and then apply it. There's going to be this arrow right here next to the camera. Click it, there's going to be this drop down, and apply it. And when you tab into edit mode and you try to scale it, the problem should be fixed. So now we got this, and we want to make the fins at the top. So should be this too. It should be this too. And look from top view. Oh, okay. Another one like this. 1, 2, 3 of the behind part, and then extrude, rotate, extrude, scale, extrude, scale, like this. So now you got the middle fin, and then we're gonna do the bottom one, and it's gonna be this one. We can't do the fin on its body since it doesn't fit with what we're gonna do here. Select both of them, and then look into side view and extrude, and scale it. And you want to adjust it so it's kind of like this. How do I explain it? Because when you extrude it, it comes directly. You want to move it to where the fin comes out and kind of rotate it. Then extrude again, move, maybe rotate it a bit, scale it, and extrude and scale it down. Now make sure that it's not too thick, because it's gonna have a problem if we put in the materials there. Okay, now it's kind of stick together. You can separate it a little bit maybe if you want, like this, by scaling it on the X, and that should be enough. Now we want to select this too, bottom right here. Look from side view, press 3 on your numpad, and extrude it. Maybe rotate it a little bit, scale it. As I said, following everything isn't gonna help in the future, because it's all about art. You need art skills, and you need the skills. So there we go. We got our base mesh. It doesn't need to be perfectly fit and look the same, because the material will do the job later. So then you want to add another modifier. You want to add Subdivision Surface and apply it again like this. And there we go. Now you can delete our picture right here, delete. And then if you have watched my adding image textures video, select our tilapia and go into the materials properties, and it should have add material already since we use the beginning cube. But if you have deleted the beginning cube, then you maybe need to add it again. So now add a base color. Go to the base color, select the yellow thing, add a image texture, and then open, and then go to the place where you saved your thing, your fish, and then just add it. Now you can't really see anything now because you need to be in material preview. So click that, the valve on the second from the right, and then it will not look like it. This is not a tilapia. So right now we need to map it because our textures is kind of in a weird position. So press the UV editing workspace right here. We've been in shading before, but we're gonna be in UV editing now. So now you want to press A to select everything, and then press U, and it's gonna open this UV mapping tab. And then you want to just project from view. Wait, no, don't do that yet. You need to be in side view first. This is very important, side view. And the fish needs to be facing the right way, okay? Press A and press U and project from view, and you're gonna have this. Now it's gonna look like our fish. You want to press A to select all of them, and then scale it. Press S as usual, like this. Don't make it perfect because we don't want our fish to see the white part, but it will. So no wonders there. And then now if you go back into layout, our fish is done. Now there is this white part that you can't really do anything right now. Maybe we can select the edge and move it. No, it doesn't work. If you figure out something how to fix this, and then you can like comment down below if you want. But right now, you can shade smooth our fish right there, and we can also go to our modifiers and add another subdivision surface. But don't do this if you have a very low spec computer, I think. So now that is our tilapia. This is a basic one, not that advanced yet, not that intermediate, but this is good for now. Wait, it's right here. This is good for now. So that is it for this video, and see you later.